Okay, fine. Now we will see that problems in that model. Find the complementary function d square plus 16 into y equal to e power x. See the solution here. In the problem, they are asking only the complementary function. No need to find the particular integral. First, you have to see that the problem whether they are asking that complementary function or particular integral. Find the solution. If they are asking about that, find the solution. You have to find both complementary function, particular integral. Otherwise, they are asking about the complementary function. So here right hand side is e power x is given. First, you make it that right hand side equal to 0. So when the right hand side equal to 0, this equation will become the d square plus 16 into y equal to 0. Now you have to write the auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation? Here you have to substitute d equal to p. If you are substituting d equal to p here, p square plus 16 equal to 0, p equal to plus or minus 4i. So this is in the format of alpha plus or minus I beta format. It is a complex number. So alpha equal to 0 here, alpha equal to 0, and then beta equal to 4. So when beta equal to 4, then the complementary function is a cos 4x plus b sin 4x. Actually here e power alpha x is there actually. E power alpha is 0, 0 x is there. But e power 0 is 1, so no need to write that. Here we are skipping one step. It is a complementary function. See that the second problem, it is the first problem. See the second problem. Second problem is find the particular integral of d square plus 1 equal to 1. So you have to find the particular integral. Particular integral y equal to 1 by, you cross multiply here, that means d square plus 1. 1 by d square plus 1. It is a particular integral. Particular integral y equal to 1 by d square plus 1. So therefore, what is the procedure in case if it is a constant? If it is a constant, then directly if you are substituting the d equal to 0 here. In the numerator only constant is there. The denominator substitute d equal to 0 directly. Because it is 1 can be written as, this 1 can be written as e power 0 into x. E power 0 into x. That is in the format of e power mx. If it is e power mx, what is the changes in the denominator? You have to substitute d equal to m. But that m equal to 0 here. Therefore, you have to substitute d equal to 0 in the denominator. That is one step. Otherwise, the numerator is constant. Only constant will be appear in the denominator also. So that value is 1. That is a particular integral. Particular integral equal to 1. In case find the solution of the particular integral is not there, find the solution of is there, find the solution of d square plus 1, find the solution of d square plus 1 into y equal to 1. Then what is the answer for this? What is a complementary function for this? So you have to substitute d equal to p, then p square plus 1 equal to 0, then p equal to plus or minus I. So solution is the complete integral y equal to a cos x, plus b sin x, plus 1. It is the complete integral. It is a complete integral. Next problem is find the particular integral of d square plus 70 plus 14 equal to 8 e power minus x. So here also they are asking only the particular integral. What is the particular integral formula? 1 by d square plus 70 plus 14, 8 e power minus x. So here m is what? M equal to
-1.
substituting d equal to minus 1 then in the denominator. That means you have to substitute d equal to minus 1 in the denominator. Then you will get that minus 1 whole square plus 7 into minus 1 plus 14. That means 8 get cancelled. E power minus x is the particular integral here. Find the particular integral of d square minus 2d minus 3 into y equal to e power minus x. Find the particular integral of d square minus 2d minus 3 into y equal to e power minus x. Then we can get that 1 by d square minus 2d minus 3 e power minus x. What you have to substitute in the denominator? Substituting d equal to minus 1 in the denominator. If you are substituting minus 1 in the denominator, what you get? Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Minus 1, 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Plus 2 minus 3. So what is the denominator here? 0. Therefore, if the denominator equal to 0, then what will the next step? We have to multiply with x in the numerator and differentiate with respect to d in the denominator. That means differentiation of 2d square is 2d minus 2. So 2d minus 2, now you have to, once again you have to substitute the d equal to minus 1 in the denominator. So if you are substituting d equal to minus 1 in the denominator, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, that is 4. So the particular integral is x into e power minus x by 4. In case the denominator 0, once again we have to multiply with x in the numerator and differentiate with respect to d in the denominator. See the next problem. Next problem is solve d square plus 5d plus 6 into y equal to 0. So here, equal to 30. Solve, just find the solution, or simply if they are giving that solve means you have to find both complementary function and particular integral. So what is the auxiliary equation here? T square plus 5b plus 6 equal to 0. That means multiplication of two numbers is 6, addition of two number is 5. Therefore, p plus 2, p plus 3 equal to 0. So p1 equal to minus 2 minus the roots are real and unequal. So we can write the complementary function is a e power minus 2x plus b e power minus 3x. Next we have to find the particular integral. For the particular integral, we have to write that 1 by d square plus 5d minus 6. That means this you have to write in the denominator, and then this 30 is the right hand side is the numerator. So here this can be written as e power 0 into x. That means you have to substitute only constant is there in the denominator, d square will gone, d will gone, then only 6 will be there. So 30 by 6 is 5. That is a particular integral. Even in the single step you can write that. This is for your understand only, we are writing that e power 0 into x. So y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. See, don't forget to write this step. Then e power 4x is there in the right hand side. See, d square minus d minus 12 into y e power 4x. Here, first you have to write the auxiliary equation. Then you have to find the roots of this equation. P1 equal to 4, P2 equal to minus 3. The roots are real and distinct. Therefore, the complementary function is a e power 4x plus b e power minus 3x. Then you come to that particular integral. So here e power 4x is there. It is in the format of e power mx format. So where m equal to 4, therefore you have to substitute d equal to 4 in the denominator. If you are substituting 4 in the denominator, 16 minus 4 minus 12. That step is not shown here, but you have to show that 16 minus 4 minus 12, that is equal to 0. That means denominator equal to 0. When the denominator equal to 0, then multiple with x in the numerator, differentiate with respect to d in the denominator. That means 2d minus 1 minus d minus 12. So when you are differentiating, the d square is 2d, differentiation of minus d is minus 1, and then once again you substitute the d equal to 4 in the denominator. Substituting d equal to 4 in the denominator, so you will get that 8 minus 1 7. This is a particular integral, and many of the students are forget to write this step. The required solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. A e power 4x plus b e power minus 3x plus x into e power 4x by 7. Next one is d square minus 2d plus 1 into y equal to e power x. This is also the very simple problem. Here the roots are real and equal. Therefore, we can write that complementary function is e power x, that is ax plus b e power mx when the roots are real and equal. That means m1 equal to m2 equal to m. Then the complementary function is ax plus b e power mx. It is a solution of the complementary function. So the complementary function is e power x ax plus b. Now the particular integral is 1 by d square minus 2d plus 1 into e power x. First you have to substitute d equal to 1, since because e power mx format, so here m is 1, therefore d you have to substitute in the denominator, d equal to 1. So 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 plus 1, 1 minus 2 plus 1 in the denominator, then the denominator is 0. If one time denominator is 0, what is the next step? Next step is you have to multiply with the x in the numerator and differentiate with respect to d in the denominator. One, if you differentiate this, we will get the 2d minus 2. Once again, you have to substitute the d equal to 1 here. If you are substituting d equal to 1 here, 2 minus 2, once again it is 0. Therefore, multiple with x in the numerator mean, so already x is there, multiple with x mean x square divided by differentiate with respect to d in the denominator. So 2d is 2 and then 2 is 0 here. Therefore, x square by 2 e power x. So this is the particular integral for this. So the required solution is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral e power x ax plus b plus x square by 2 e power x, where f of 1 equal to 0, f dash of 1 equal to 0. Next one is solution of second order differential equation in the form a d square by dx square plus b dot minus b plus b dy by dx plus cy equal to f of x, where a, b, c are the constants and the right hand side f of x is sin mx or cos mx. There is no separate rule for sin and cos. For both sin and cos, the same rule is there, where m is a constant is not equal to 0. What is the method to find the particular integral for that sin mx and cos mx or cos mx? So for this, you should know all the trigonometric formulas. Uh, Addition formula and multiplication formula. Actually, I sent that one. formula book to you, trigonometric for sorry 1300 formula book to you. In the trigonometry in the book you have to copy the trigonometric formula in your notebook. What are the trigonometric formulas are there, you have to copy, particularly that identities, double angle formula, triple angle formula, addition formula, multiplication formula, half angle formula. This formula you have to note down that. Particularly, can I ask only one question? What is sin A cos B? Anybody? Sin A cos B formula. Try. Anybody can try.
Sir, 2 sine A plus B.
Okay, that is correct. But only thing is not 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 sin A plus B.
Plus cos A plus B.
இல்லை sin என்ன sin மட்டும்தான் வரும்.
Okay.
sin A minus B. ஸோ மொத்தம் 4 ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு. 4 formulas are there. Sin A cos B, cos A sin B. Because in this part, this type of problem will come. Cos A sin B, cos A cos B, cos A cos B, sin A sin B. Have to go through this. And then one more formula is that what is cos square A sin square A formula in terms of powers, in terms of multiple. This is multiplication formula. We can write in terms of addition and subtraction. Similarly, powers formula into, for example, sin square A. Sin square A. Sin square A is 1 minus cos 2A by 2. Similarly, you should know how to write the half angle formulas. Half angle formulas. Okay. And then you should know what is that addition formula also. Sin A plus sin B formula. Sin A, sin A plus B, sin A minus B, we know that. But sin A, sin B formula. Sin A, sin B. Anybody know that? This formula, sin A,
So
sin B formula.
2 sine of A plus B by
By
2
2,
into cos
correct.
of A
A
minus
minus
B
B
by
by
2.
2. Correct. Sin of 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. So you have to remember all the trigonometric formulas to discuss this chapter, particularly this type. So how to find that? What is the procedure to find the value or to find the particular integral? So in case express f of d as a function of d square, we know that already it is a second order equation. For the second order equation, you have to express in terms of the d square only. So it is pi of d square format. Always, if d is there in the denominator, you make it that as d square. Okay. So what are the substitutions? Substitute d square equal to minus m square in the denominator. Substitute d square equal to minus m square in the denominator. What is m here? M is the coefficient of sin mx or cos mx. Therefore, the particular integral is 1 by f of d sin mx, whereas pi of, when you are substituting the d square, that means d square equal to minus m square, that should not equal to 0. So pi of minus m square, the denominator pi of minus m square is not equal to 0. You know that in case the denominator is 0, once again, whatever we have followed for exponential, that means multiple with x in the numerator and differentiate with respect to d in the denominator. So next one is sometimes we cannot form that pi of d square. Then we shall try to get that pi of d comma d square. That is the solution. That is a function of d comma d square. In such case, we proceed as follows. Now only d square is there. Here sin mx format. So m equal to 2 here. M equal to 2. But d square is minus m square. D square equal to minus m square. Therefore, d square is minus 2 square is 4. So d square equal to minus 4, you have to substitute. So minus 4 plus 3 is there. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. So 2d minus 1 it will come. The step is 2d minus 1 sine 2x is there. But now you can see that only d is there, d square is not there. At the time, multiple and divide with that 2d plus 1 in the numerator and denominator, then the values will not be changed. Therefore, when you are multiple with that 2d minus 2d plus 1 in the numerator and denominator, so then we can make it that the denominator in terms of d square. So this is one method. Usually what is d? D is known as differentiate with respect to x. D is known as differentiate with respect to x. Then what is 1 by d? What is 1 by d? If d is differentiate with respect to x, what is 1 by d?
Division.
No, 1 by d, 1 by d. What?
Degrade.
Integrate, correct only. Integrate?
With respect to x.
Exactly. Very good. Integrate with respect to x. T is differentiate with respect to x mean integrate with respect to x. So here, so here you have to substitute the d square is equal to minus 4. Then we can get that value for the denominator. But what about the numerator? Numerator is 2d plus 1 sine 2x is there. So you have to multiple that sine 2x for 2d and 1 also. So 2d in sine 2x plus sine 2x. Then 2d of sine 2x. Sine 2x differentiation is 2 cos 2x. Then already 2 is there. 2 into 2 4. 4 cos 2x plus sine 2x. So this is the particular integral for this case. Even for the cos also we have to follow the same thing, whether it may be the sin mx or cos mx, we have to follow the same procedure for this. Already I told that in case the denominator equal to 0, then multiple with x in the numerator and differentiate with respect to x in the differentiate with respect to d in the denominator. See that first problem, d square plus 14y equal to sine 3x. So what is the particular integral for this? 1 by d square plus 14 sine 3x. So m equal to 3 here. D square is minus 9. You have to substitute d square equal to minus 9. In case the problem is d square plus 9 is there. D square plus 9 into y equal to sine 3x.
Sir, minus 9 or minus 3, sir?
No, d square equal to minus 9 only. You have to substitute. So in case the problem is d square plus 9 into y equal to sine 3x, then what is the answer for this? So you have to substitute minus 9 plus 9 in the denominator. What is the particular integral? Particular integral equal to, so sine 3x may be there in the numerator, but the denominator is minus 9 plus 9. The denominator equal to 0. Then what happened? We have to multiple with d in the denominator, sorry, multiple with the x in the numerator. So x sine 3x, x sine 3x. What about the denominator? Denominator is 2d, 2d. Then what happened here? X by 2, 1 by d of sine 3x. Already I told that what is 1 by d, integrate with respect to x. So what is sine 3x integration? Minus cos 3x by 3.
3.
It is the answer for this. Okay, so please note down that Monday we'll be having the class from 10 to 11, and then I skipped the theory part in the first unit. Already I completed all the problem part in the first unit, so I have sent that some notes to you. And then for the I have started the second unit now. Then in case time is there, in the end I will discuss all the theoretical part. Okay, but for the cycle test 1, you will be having only that problematic part only. There is no theory part to you.